Welcome to section 2. We'll be covering basic solos, but also the importance of the left hand. The most basic solo you can play is with the chords we learned. You play them right up here, but as eighth notes. And let's add the left hand. Which is okay, but doesn't this sound a lot cooler? So as you can see, the right hand is really important, but the left hand is the driving force. Let's take a look at the left hand. And let me explain to you what I'm doing. You first start off with your pinky on the root note, the C, playing this note twice. Then playing the E with your middle finger, rocking back to your pinky, your C note, then playing G with your index finger, rocking back to C, and playing the A with your thumb, and G again with your index finger. Then moving to the F chord, which is the same pattern, playing the F with your pinky, the root note, twice, playing the A with your middle finger, rocking back to F, playing the C with your index finger, rocking back to F, playing the D with your thumb, and the C again with your index finger. Changing over to the G chord, playing the G, the root note with your pinky twice, playing the B with your middle finger, rocking back to G, playing the D with your index finger, rocking back to G, playing E with your thumb, and D again with your index finger. So if we put this all together as a 12-bar blues, it will sound like this. Let's go ahead and add the right hand. I know this might look very easy and relaxed on this video, but this will take a long time to develop the skill and also the strength in your hand to keep up this riff as a 12-bar blues. So don't get frustrated over it, just keep on practicing it.